Geography is a science to be studied outside the four walls. We visit riverside, agricultural lands, irrigation projects, industries, seashore to learn the influence of environment on various human occupations. We do study agricultural patterns, we visit market, we talk to people, we collect lot of information, and this type of work is very important in study of geography because we get first hand information. Then we can correlate the cause and effect relation of the surroundings on different occupations. That is why fieldwork is important in study of geography, which is essential part on our side. Before going for the fieldwork, certain preparations are essential, and that is called planning for the fieldwork. Now, the first step is we have to select the place to be visited in consultation with our teacher. It may be dam site. Now, the next step is to obtain the location map of that place. It will help us to calculate the distance from our school to the place to be visited. Next step is we require a permission letter from the government agency where we are going to visit, whether it is a dam site or irrigation project or some research laboratory. Questionnaire is very important for the field visit because it enables us to collect a lot of data. When we go for visiting a village, the questionnaire consists of information of the family, number of people in the family, males, females, children, their education level, their monthly income, what facilities they have, do they have credit cooperative society in their village, what medical facilities they have. So these kind of things are included when we visit a village. When we visit a market, the questionnaire should include what items are sold in the market, from where they are getting the raw material, is the person a farmer selling products from his farm, do they have any credit cooperative society, are they given any financial assistance by the government, what transport facility they have, and so on. To make the field visit effective, we have to divide the students in different groups, and among the students we have to distribute the work what they are supposed to do when they actually go on the field. For example, one group will go to Talati office and collect statistical information. One group of students will go to houses in the village and collect personal information from each family. If you give 10 questionnaires to one student, and in one group if we have 10 students, we can cover 100 families with the help of just 10 students. Another group of students will collect the soil samples, and they will use the paper bag or the cloth bag for collecting soil sample. We have to avoid plastic strictly because we care for the environment when we go for field work. Another group will talk to the farmers and will collect the information from social point of view. Questionnaire is an important tool in study of fieldwork, which enables us to get a lot of information in less time. When we actually visit a field, we find people throw lot of garbage, wrappers, plastic bottles, plastic bags, polythene bags, which make the place very dirty, and we don't feel like even walking on the field. So first thing is how to manage the litter during the field work is an important step in the field work. First thing is we have to maintain the cleanliness of that place. Second thing, we should see that we are not causing any harm to the environment. We will not pluck flowers, we will not pluck leaves, we will not throw any waste material here and there for maintaining the cleanliness of that place. Very important thing is to avoid use of plastic. No plastic bottle, no plastic bag, no plastic container is to be carried when we are going on the field. We will not throw any wrappers outside the bus, outside the train, or even at the field, because that creates a lot of dirt. When we throw any unwanted material, it is to be thrown in proper dustbins meant for wet garbage, dry garbage, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. At many places, we find people spit here and there by eating tobacco, chewing pan. So, to avoid that, we can make some cardboards in the school itself, which will give instruction to the visitors, such as avoid use of plastic, throw garbage in proper dustbin, please do not spit. This is our national property. We have to consider it as our second home. We can attract tourists by making this place clean. We can put some slogans like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We are proud of visitors who are making the place clean, who are maintaining the cleanliness of the place, and so on. So, such cardboards we can prepare in the school itself by using raw material, waste material. We can put some papers, we can put some printout, so that it will educate the visitors, especially for maintaining the cleanliness of that place. The items which we require for field work is location map, haversack, binocular, camera, cap, compass, first aid box, water bottle, writing material. We also require a questionnaire, the set of questions, and even cloth bags to carry soil samples. When we visit seashore, we have to take certain precaution. For example, we must know the timing of high tide and low tide. For example, fort at Alibag, which is located inside the sea, we must know the timing of high tide and low tide, so that we can enter the fort at the time of low tide and can come back before the high tide starts. Another thing is, safety is very important. We must know when to enter into water. Normally we have to avoid entering into the sea water at the time of low tide, and if the beaches are safe like Karde or Harireshwar or Divyagar, then we can enter into water, but safety is very important. Many students are fond of taking selfie and they go on the cliff and unnecessarily risk their life, so we have to avoid taking selfie and risk our life. Some organisms like jellyfish, starfish may be seen. We are not supposed to pick them up, we are not supposed to touch them, because even some jellyfish found in the west coast are turned to be poisonous. So we have to avoid not to touch any of the aquatic organism, whether small or big.